Under the weather is a commonly used expression, but do you know how to use it correctly? Watch this video where I show you how. Hello, I'm Jo from Specialist Language Courses. We are OET premium preparation providers and all-stars, so we are experts in all things OET. Before we start today's video, make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel and check out our website, the link's below. We've got a wide range of comprehensive preparation courses to help you on your journey to OET success. Let's go! So what does under the weather mean? It is an idiomatic expression meaning unwell. For example, I'm feeling a little under the weather, which means I'm feeling a little unwell. Notice the stress. We pronounce it as under the weather, with the stress on the of under and we of weather. Under the weather. I'm feeling a little under the weather. Notice the use of the schwa sound, under the weather, These sounds are not stressed, under the weather, Under the weather is used as an adjective, so we need to use a verb with it. We could use feel under the weather, for example. I've been feeling under the weather a lot recently. Be under the weather, for example. I couldn't go to work yesterday because I was under the weather. Or we could say seem or look under the weather. For example, are you okay? You look a bit under the weather. We can also modify under the weather to make the meaning stronger or weaker. For example, a little under the weather, a bit under the weather, really under the weather. It's a good idea to keep a record of synonyms of idiomatic phrases. Some of the synonyms of under the weather are ill, unwell, poorly, out of sorts, and below par. Before we continue, make sure you check out our website, the link's below. We've got amazing courses which can help you with words such as under the weather and much, much more. Do you want to pass your OET exam? Then check it out. Right, let's continue. How do you use under the weather in OET? It can be used anywhere in the OET exam, but you are most likely to find it in Listening A. A patient or the healthcare professional might use it, or it could be in the notes. Listening B. The phrase might be used in this part when discussing or presenting a case, perhaps. Speaking. It might be used by the patient or the carer during the role play. And writing. It could appear in the case notes to report what a patient said. So here are my top tips for using under the weather. Practice using it in different contexts. Practice the pronunciation. Notice how it's used in an OET context during your self-study. So over to you. I want you to practice using under the weather in context. Write a sentence using the phrase in the comments below. Let's see how you do. And if you like this video, like and share with your friends and colleagues so we can help more people ace the OET exam. See you in the next video. Bye! Under the weather is an expression that's used by many people. But do you know how to use it correctly? I had a big pause. Under the weather is one of the most commonly used expressions in healthcare by the patient. Let's something.